This is a hair salon website that I make with AI, without coding, without being frustrated for hours that I can't change something. So here, always make room for beauty in your life. We're gonna make a reservation about us. Then I got also the services here, the reviews. Visit us today and follow us on Instagram. Now, when I come here to about page, you got how everything started, the values, our team, then also got services and also pricing. Very simple and effective website. I'm going to show you how you can make something like this, but you can make it even better. So let's go. So we're going to use a Claude Design, and I'm using a Claude Pro account, but we're not going to start prompting and writing into Claude Design. First, come here to Google and write hair salon template website, Figma or Webflow or even Framer. Or if you know that there is some existing website that you really like, that you would like to have it like that you know someone. So I can come here, Hair Salon New York. And let's say I'm going to come here all. And I'm just going to check some websites that, like, let's say that you really like some website you would like to have it very similar, like they got it. Like look at that, for example, this one. And I can click here, let's just scroll it through. I can click here and click screenshot, capture full page. And look at what happened. It actually like picture me the whole page, and you're gonna download it, the screenshot, and then use it as an inspiration. Like, yeah, I really like this site, but I would like you to change this, do it differently. So use it as inspiration, because if the Claude is going to create it just on its own, it's not going to be that great. So when you got it, now we just have to write what do we actually want with the website. So this is what I wrote. Make me a hair salon website with more pages, exactly like it's in screenshots. I want to have a store there, newsletter, contact from just main page, about us, our team, pricing and services, like the things that I want. So what I need from you is to ask me questions about animations, design, info on the site, and images. So it's going to ask you important questions because like you don't need to start prompting everything, because it's going to ask you. Also, don't be creative, just do it like it's on screenshot. If something is missing that is not there, do it in a way of design of a site that looks good. I want to have it mobile friendly and smooth transitions between pages, nothing in between loading, because what sometimes is happening is that it's just going to put some kind of logo between the pages for some reason. So I'm just going to send it. Now it's going to generate me the questionnaire, and then I'm going to answer it. So look at this, it asks me questions about the text content, the salon name, logo, the images, the confirm the pages. So it's going to ask you questions, what do you actually want, what you don't want, and maybe even like more stuff that you would like. And that's something you have to fill it out. And then on the bottom right, you're just going to press continue. So this is how it looks, what it made. What is important to say is that come to the top left and always duplicate the project. Only because it's difficult for Claude to go back, and you want to have certain version that is going to be like, okay, this is what I like, and before you're gonna make any big changes, always duplicate a project, remember it, okay? So here I got a salon, make a reservation, services, about us. This is the services that we got. Visit us today, follow us on Instagram, okay. Then we're gonna have about. We need to make some changes, and our team, and services, and we're gonna have sub-services and pricing. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but we need to do some changes here. So first, on the left, you can write down, mamma mia, left down, you can write to Claude, or you can come here to the top right where you're gonna have comment, where you can draw something, and then, you know, it's like, you can, it's like, okay, change this picture, please. Or then on the top right, you can have edit, where you can edit the things by yourself. So I have the background here, and you can have the groups here. Let's say you want to change the text, the whatever you want to change, you can change it by yourself also. So we're gonna write the things that I want to change, and then we're gonna continue. So I'm going to write down bottom left, and what I do always, I just write in points. Maybe I do some screenshots. So for example, when I come here to the services, there was something about also like this needs to be changed, like, yeah, this, do you see that there is no emojis, logos, it doesn't look good. So you're just gonna do the changes that you see, and you want to continually like improve it, and then we're gonna move forward. One thing I want to show you that if you want to add a real Instagram to your own site, it's very easy. You're gonna come here to Google, where you're going to write Instagram feed else sign. And then you're gonna have it right here that you can create an Instagram feed for yourself, or even if you have already Google reviews, you can even add a Google reviews to your own site also as a widget. So that's something that you can actually do, and that is going to be beneficial. So view the widget, and I have, for example, it right here that you can add actually from the Instagram on your website. So that's something I recommend to do. You would just publish it and get a code, right? Look at that, and you would just paste this code, paste the code to Elsie, I mean to Claude, and it's going to take care of it. So look at this. This is what it made. We have always make room for beauty in your own life. Beauty services. I also added reviews here. When I go, it stops. Visit us today, follow us on Instagram. Very simple. You can even add more stuff if you want to. Then we're gonna have about page. Okay, then also our team. All right, services and pricing. In my opinion, it looks very good. And now I'm going to show you how you can export it. So here you're gonna write on the bottom left to Claude, export me this website as main page index HTML, and then our related pages also HTML. Then how it works is that you're gonna click on the link down below in the description, and you will get right here to hostinger.com, and right here you're gonna have pricing. So for the pricing, there you can go with the premium or the unlimited, and for the premium you're gonna have choose plan. So you can go with that because you're gonna have free websites, but if you want more, you can do it. Have a coupon code right here, Marcus, that you can have 10% off with the link and with the code, and period 48 months, and there you're gonna write domain. You're just gonna write a domain that you want to get, and if you have it, you can even move it to Hostinger. It's nothing difficult. And there you're gonna have period 1 year. Then it's completely for free. You can pay for more if you want already, but it's up to you. So there you're gonna $158.88. You're gonna press continue. Don't install any WordPress or any hosting or website builder. You donated. So then I'm just going to write it and give me download link, right? So I'm going to send it. Now it's going to create for me, and while you're gonna get the hosting, get the domain, you're gonna come here to Hostinger. I go to top right to my own profile, and there you're gonna have websites, and there you're gonna have dashboard. So click on the dashboard, and when you're gonna be on dashboard, there you're gonna have files and access files. Public HTML, remove everything that is here. And when you're gonna come back here, you're gonna have HTML is ready, so we're gonna download it. And now we're just gonna open it. Now in the moment when we have it, is that we have everything prepared for us. And we come here back, so to public HTML, and we are just going to upload it. And you don't have to upload the uploads or thumbnail. Just have the HTML files there. And now when we're gonna come to websites, and I'm going to open the site. Look at that. There was a little bit of logo on the top left. I don't know if you've seen that, but as you can see, we can also fix that. Just gonna write to Claude to remove it. And look at that. Our team. Everything works. So hope this video was beneficial on what you can actually do and how you can create your own hair salon website. There are no limits what you can create. Just find some site that you like. As an example, download it as a screenshot or download whatever template you find interesting and use it as an inspiration and start from there. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video was beneficial and have a great day and goodbye.